Okay, inhale, then exhale. Yeah. Good. Inhale, and exhale din. Good. Inhale, and exhale. Okay. Close your mouth.
Okay.
Hangin lang yung ulo. Grabe. Pili mo ang likod. Tingo. Right, so relax lang. Not so tight.